Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to jack up a Ram 2500. First, prioritize safety by parking your truck on a flat, stable surface. Always engage the parking brake and use wheel chocks on the wheels that will remain on the ground. Make sure your hydraulic jack has a minimum capacity of 3 tons to safely lift your heavy-duty truck. This preparation is crucial for a secure and successful lift. To lift the front of your Ram 2500, place your jack directly under the center of the front differential. Pump the jack handle until the front tires are clear of the ground. Once lifted, carefully slide your jack stands under the frame rails, just behind the front wheels. Ensure they are firmly seated before slowly lowering the truck onto them. This provides a stable and secure working platform. For the rear of your Ram 2500, position your jack under the center of the rear differential. This is a strong, central point designed to support the vehicle's weight. Begin to raise the truck until the rear tires are off the ground. Then, place your jack stand securely under the rear axle tubes, close to the wheels. Double-check their stability before gently lowering the truck onto them. Once your work is complete, slightly raise the truck again with the jack to relieve pressure on the stands, then carefully remove them. Slowly and steadily lower your Ram 2500 back to the ground, ensuring a controlled descent. Remove the jack and wheel chocks and you're all set. Remember, for more great tips and other deals, check the description below. Also, if you love to read, you'll find a link there for the new Kindle Paperwhite, perfect for reading anywhere.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.